we are looking at the mix of target investors, and because we are looking at some of the foreign markets because there have been preliminary talks. So we'll revisit that because if let's say there an reallocation is required, meaning we will sell more to the foreign, and that's good for the company. Of course, we'll welcome that. The key really is that at least the company is very open to the ideas and just wants to get the best deal for their investors and for the company. So I think we will hear, they will have a decision in the next 1 or 2 weeks.
Yeah, DM Wenceslao was planning to list about, I remember initially was planning to list sometime in 2015, 2016, and they waited until now to actually, after their deferral, to waited until now to actually list. Is there a risk that we might have to wait another year or two before we start to see before we see the Monte Philippines list on the PSE?
The way it works anyway, as the underwriters, our advice is always for the companies to be ready. Yeah, the problem is sometimes the window can reopen for 1 or 2 weeks, which is what we had in Pure Gold also a few years back with First Gen, where we had to defer and relist. And sometimes the market will remain closed for a long time. So the name of the game is just be ready, because you really cannot, there's no crystal ball on when the dates are good. The only blackout dates are ghost month. But other than that, there's no other sacred dates. If the market is good, we see demand, we will go to the market.